Guys, I'm so excited to present you Botsify 2.0. It brings a lot of artificial intelligence based features so you can make a better chatbot. You are now able to make context aware stories or use cases so your chatbot knows what your user is talking about, just like with .ai. In fact, we are using entity extractor of with.ai, and in future we are going to use entity parsers for list.ai and api.ai as well. So let me quickly show you what we have to offer this time. I have built a chatbot demo for election 2016 and it has two stories, but these stories are enough to capture my 80% of use cases. So let me quickly show you how. If someone asks about election 2016, my chatbot will give him information and I can branch out my stories with these quick replies. So we are building a context here. Chatbot knows he is coming from the yes path and will continue on this tree on the yes path. If at any point my user thinks he's not getting things right, he can submit us his email address so we can contact him later. And you can see we are using with.ai email parser. I'm executing this story when someone taps my get started button. So let me quickly show you how it performs. So now we have captured user's email address. Let's go to users list and check it out. Awesome. Let me quickly show you something. I'm going to create a new story, and if someone says, "Do you remember my email address?" and in bot reply, I can choose, "Was it?" Yes, you guessed it right. So let me quickly show you the other story and the machine learning feature we have introduced. So what if someone says, "Who is Donald Trump?" and I'm going to call my API endpoint and bring in the information. There are several ways I can use this API feature. So I can use post APIs and get APIs and headers as well. In my entity list, I only have Donald Trump, but what if someone asks about Hillary Clinton? Let's try. Oops, the bot fails. But let me quickly show you something. We get all such sentences which bot fails to answer in this bot learning section. And we can make the bot better by training on new user queries. So now if my next user asks the same question, my bot knows. How interesting this is. So since we are using entity parser, I can query the same question in several different ways. Still replies. How interesting this is. There are tons of other features we have rolled out, like new buttons and analytics, and we are also working on the documentation, so you know how to use each of these exciting features in Botsify. So do give us a